Hey, direct, how would you describe yung chemistry ni Wilbert and Bea? Ilabas yung kilig factor sa kanila.
Alam mo, nainis na ako minsan eh. As in, the chemistry is very natural and charismatic. Ang challenge ko is paano sila pag-walking. Para lang, alam mo yun, hindi ako ma-affected sa set, gano'n. Kasi yung kwento nitong Golden Cindy, very, relatable siya for me. Kaya nakita ko yung past self ko, kaya ako yung from the future na, uy, stop, wag ma ina sa best friend, gano'n. So, pero yun, parang nagkurutan lang sila, napagano'n na ako eh. Pero parang so stop, wag, gawin natin yan sa eksena, gano'n. So, even walang tape, nag-ano pa rin sila, yung chemistry nandun eh. So parang very natural and very free-flowing lang, gano'n. Kaya gusto ko i-stop yung gano'n, in between takes. So,
mag-comment lang, Bea, kanina yung group shot ng parang class photo. Parang it reminded me of Twin Hearts class of 2012. Nakita mo ba yun kanina?
Hindi ka kakain.
Iba ko lang sa mga nakaraan. Hindi na sa Twin Hearts.
Siguro po, syempre, nagkaroon tayo ng ganung phase and talagang malaking bagay po yun sa akin, sa career ko. And syempre for sure sa audience na na-touch ng Twin Hearts namin before. But itong university series, itong Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, it's a really different universe. It's a different story. It's different characters. And I hope na ma-touch din nito yung mga viewers at maka-affect din ito. At hindi na ito actually, the whole series, the whole university series, sa mga viewers in a good way. Kasi alam ko po na at nababasa ko talaga na kumbaga naging malaking parte ng buhay nila ang university series. And I hope na itong adaptation, it's something good. It's something that will remind them of a beautiful memory.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Stars Putog, we have Alan Santon.
Hello po. Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to everyone for a new series, especially to Bea sa I Will Work. So tanong ko lang, parang i-follow up ko lang yung question kanina, bakit mo nasabing reliable and hindi lang mema si Wilbert? And kay Wilbert naman, tanong ko na rin, tuwagin ko na rin. Ikaw naman, how do you describe Bea as a love team? Di ba? May marami bang aabangang mga intimate scene din kayo dito tulad ng mga nakaraang mga series ng university series?
Nasabi ko po na very reliable love team si Wilbert kasi he makes sure that I'm not uncomfortable with anything. And to have a love team like that na hindi yung parang kailangan to sa trabaho, no choice ka. Gusto mo, hindi kailangan mo gawin. Love team eh. Parang he's not like that. Talagang ang inaano niya is that kailangan comfortable ako, if I'm okay, if it's not something na nakaka-bother sa akin. And para sa akin sobrang importante po nun kasi it really, parang it strengthens the chemistry somehow. Mas lumalaki yung tiwala. Kumbaga, mas nagiging komportable kayo sa isa't isa kasi, again, make sure niya na komportable ka. Yun po.
Wilbert naman, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya bilang love?
Si Bea, sobrang reliable talaga. Kasi reliable ka naman kasi talaga. Saka, dito sa project na to, parang binigay niya talaga lahat. Yung effort, as in, nag-volleyball practice po siya. So, sineryoso niya talaga yung as Bea, yung character niya dito, yung project namin. And pag nasa set po kami, may eksena kami, lagi po kami nagkakamustuhan, kumusta ka na, okay ka lang ba ngayon? And then every time, I think madaming beses sa isang araw namin tinatanong sarili, happy ka? Happy ka? Kasi Kasi parang gusto namin sure na happy kami sa set, sa work, sa trabaho namin na walang masama yung loob or walang nangyari na if ever meron man, okay, anong nangyayari, anong kailangan na pwede gawin, dapat happy ka always. So, tinatanong din ako, dapat happy ka din always. So, ganun po yung working relationship.
Hindi natanong sagot yung tanong pa about dun sa scene ninyo, may mga abangan ba? Kasi nakita kanina parang, di ba first kiss, di ba? Yung mga ikaw ba yung first kiss ko, nakika kayo sa kama pareho. May abangan ba mga more than that, parang intimate scenes?
Sa tingin ko po parang sobrang mild po talaga. Like, book po ata namin yung pinaka wala po masyadong intimate scene. Kung meron man, sobrang tame na tame. Ganun po siguro.
Thank you, congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin from Rider PH Studios. We have Jojo Panaligan.
Thank you to the ladies and gentlemen dito sa kanan. Basic question, the name of your character. Tell us about that character. We start with Jairus.
Hello. Bye. Yeah, so I'll be playing the role of Chandre Kyle. Been doing it for how many years now? Pero Chandre Kyle Lopez and love interest din ni Nicole. She's really playing Kiara. And brother din ni Haya. So basically, yun lang naman. And after their book, kami naman ni Nicole. So the final and last book. So yeah, getting there, medyo nakakapa kasi ito na yung sign na kami na yung next pero still enjoying yung part na wala pa. So medyo kalmado pa pero pumunta na tayo sa sa sad part. So yeah, ayun.
My role is going to be Alex Jace Martinez, and as everybody knows, in the present, he's a student, not of this group, not of their group, pero galing Ateneo naman. Kasama ko naman dun sila Lance and Andre Frost, and in the future naman, in the present, I'm a lawyer. So I don't know yet if there's going to be any lawyer scene. There's probably going to be more school scenes, definitely.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ako po dito si Sebastian Vincent Camero, best friend po ni Arkin and then group po ng Valeria High. So we're gonna start sa book nito kung paano po kami nag-meet ng high school. And then in the latter part, gonna be love interest of me and Kelly. And then gonna be an engineer.
Hi everyone. My character name here is Clyde J. Ramirez, the oldest one in the group. So yeah, I'm a doctor, and as the eldest, I think I'm going to be in my college era, I think, in both senior year to board. So also the love interest of Samantha Vera in this book. That's all.
Oh my God. Same role of Samantha Maria.
Baka mainom po ito.
Social worker.
Hindi ka binigyan?
Bakit kami? Part po kami ng Valeria High.
Saka kumuha na muna pala ako. Balik ka kumuha muna. Kumain ka na ba? Hindi pa, balik ka.
Different year kami. Like, older kami ni
sabi nila ang gulo nila.
And then, yeah, in the present, ano naman sa
wala po, second question pala ba?
Hey guys! So, I play the role of Elise Ledesma. In this series, I guess you will see her, she's like, I believe, freshly entering, high school. She's gonna be super young, but in the future, when she goes to college, she becomes a cheerleader and also she becomes the CEO of her family. Yes, I'm the little sister of Sean. Ako po si Krisha dito. Ako po si Ashana Kim Fernandez. They call me Yana. Sa college days nila, kilala siya as the feisty one, the wild one. During high school days, palabas pa lang siya, pero di ko masagana yung petche. Kasi high school pa lang sila. And dito po, malalaman natin kung paano naging mag-best friend si Sam, character ni Sam. And paano naging mag-barkada yung
Yung partner ni Jerome, Trisha?
Oo, pangalan siya. Pangalan?
Via, Sam.
Trisha?
Oo.
Si Selvi,
Diba?
Kiera, and Luna. Kami yung magkakasama.